you doing? This is Sean McVay with Sean's Outdoor Adventures. And do not try this at home. I am a highly trained, highly skilled professional with very expensive protective gear, so don't try this yourself. This is Carbon Arrow versus hot water heater. This is old aluminum arrow without any fletches left versus hot water heater. This is camouflage arrow with razor blade broadhead versus hot water heater. Oh yeah! I would say that that is a toasted carbon arrow. That's what you call a pile driver. That's what's left of the aluminum arrow. Busted in half and the knock busted off. I'm Sean McVay with Sean's Outdoor Adventures, and this has been Arrow Versus. Today the hot water heater won.